Welcome to Feedback Sports. We're excited to show you the Pro Ultralight bike repair stand. This is the most compact and lightweight repair stand that we make. It's made for the ultimate in portability. In fact, it even includes a travel bag for mechanics on the move. Built for maximum portability with no compromises in function, the updated Pro Ultralight capitalizes on its exceptionally lightweight and compact folded size. At just 10.8 pounds, it's the lightest repair stand in its class. And now, with a padded protective travel bag included, Pro Ultralight is especially made for DIY mechanics on the move. Long our most popular repair stand for frequent travelers, this stand now features an upgraded clamp jaw spinner knob for even faster actuation of the slide lock clamp mechanism. And the redesigned high-friction clutch body offers powerful 360-degree rotational hold for access to all parts of your bike. Finally, the sturdy metal hardware fittings are built for a lifetime of duty. Pro Ultralight is the tripod-style repair stand made specifically to go with you wherever the road leads. Find Pro Ultralight at feedbacksports.com, your favorite local bike shop, or an online retailer.